Hello, so I am making just some simple mashed potatoes with no milk. I'm going to boil these. I'm going to put them in a pan and cover them with water, and I'm going to boil them until they're completely tender. I have my potatoes coarsely chopped in chunks, and I've covered them with water, and I'm going to put these on and start cooking them until they're tender. My potatoes are done, and I'm going to drain off some of the water. I keep some of it. I drain it off in a, if you can see right here, in a measuring cup. So I have it in case I need to add this. So I keep a couple cups, and this is still swimming with water, so I'm going to drain off some more. And I keep quite a bit of water in here. And then I just start mashing them with a masher. You could use a electric mixer if you want. Right away I add a tablespoon of onion powder. It gives the potatoes a nice flavor. I also add some parsley. Dried parsley. You could add fresh if you wanted. You could add garlic cloves when you're cooking the potatoes to where the garlic cloves have cooked with the potatoes. That's real nice. I have some Himalayan pink salt. You can use any kind of salt. I'm going to use about 1.5 teaspoons. And you just test it to see how much you want. Just depends on your family. I could add margarine, but I'm not going to add it. I don't add it every time, because if somebody doesn't want margarine in it, they can just add it when they're eating it. And I just mash it up real good. And as they sit, they're going to get thicker, so don't worry about if they look a little runny. They will, for some reason, it kind of just all works together. And I left it just about enough water in there. You could add some soy milk, unflavored soy milk, or some unflavored rice milk, or unflavored almond milk. I'm talking about the type that's not vanilla, not with vanilla in it. Although I have put vanilla soy milk in our mashed potatoes and nobody knows. We don't notice it. But anyways, if you want them a little bit more blended, you would just take and use your mixer and then add all of the last ingredients. But I left just about as much water as I need, and this is it. This is my vegan mashed potatoes, and they turned out great. Have a great night, a great dinner. Bye-bye.